This is the Pelikan M1005 Stresemann fountain pen. It comes in a cardboard box with the Pelikan logo on the box lid that lifts off. Inside the box is a leatherette pouch for the pen. It has the Pelikan medallion or the logo on this elastic closure, and it has a Pelikan logo embossed here in the bottom corner of the case. And of course, inside we have the Pelikan 1005 Stresemann fountain pen. This has a black resin cap with a striped barrel with alternating gray and black stripes on the barrel with a black knob on the end of the barrel of the pen. It has silver colored trim or accents on the pen with the Pelikan logo on the top of the cap and the traditional Pelikan bill shaped clip. At the bottom of the cap there's two rings. There's a smaller ring and a larger ring that's engraved with Germany Pelikan sovereign, and two small silver rings at the bottom of the barrel. The cap is threaded and unscrews and can be posted on the pen. It's a good sized pen. It doesn't necessarily need to be posted because of the large oversized body. The Pelikan 1005 is a good size pen. It has a matching black section with the cap and the knob on the end, and then it has a nice large oversized nib. It is a 18 karat gold nib with a black feed. It is a piston style fountain pen, so to change the ink or to fill it, you would use this piston here on the end of the pen, and it runs a piston and fills the body, and you can actually see through the black portions of the body and see the ink levels inside. So great design. Pelikan's a great German brand. Get your Pelikan 1005 Stresemann fountain pen at penchalet.com.